good everyone, go by the name Skyward. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, today I'm showing the account of one of my students who got my software and my video course and has been practicing and has started this Clickbank affiliate marketing business, and he has been getting sales, as you can see on the screen. These are really encouraging and excellent sales. So for as many hours that outside there, you still need the software, or you are to any affiliate business and you need the software, remember you can always message me on my email at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me through the number in the description of this video on Telegram. Thank you.